Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a highly requested video on how to achieve the ash blonde color. Now today I am using Pack Hair by Empire in 613, and I will also be using the Revlon Color Silk colors in level 60 and 61, which is like ash blonde and dark blonde. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Okay, so today I will be using 3 packs of the Revlon Color Silk color, and I have 2 in the level 60 and 1 in the level 61. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour all of the developers into the pitcher, and then once I finish doing all of that, I will go ahead and add the actual color to the bowl. Now each pack comes with 1 developer, 1 coloring bottle, and some shampoo. And most people don't use the shampoo, but for the end of this dyeing process, I did use the shampoo as well as the Shimmering Light shampoo. Now in this part of the video, it's just pretty much simple. You just want to mix everything together and just go ahead and give it a stir. Now off camera, to make this process a little easier, I did go ahead and wet all of that hair, like, you know, under the sink, because I just wanted it to be wet. That way when I rub the, when I go ahead and brush that color onto the hair, it's just pretty much, you know, easier and simpler. Another thing I wanted to mention, that most of the time, for what I saw, when people do dye the hair the ash blonde color, they have to go back and bleach the knots, but I did not have to bleach the knots on this hair, and you guys will see that in part 2, which is the actual install of me installing this hair. But yes, I did just go ahead and rub that color onto the hair, and I just use my hands to rub it in a little bit too as well. And you guys want to make sure that you are using gloves. Now here you can actually see a difference already, and the dye hasn't even been on there long enough yet, but you can see how the ash blonde color is definitely a darker blonde than the actual 613. The actual 613 alone looks a little bit yellower, but the ash blonde tones it down much darker. Now I could have made this video shorter, but I actually wanted to show you guys me applying the dye on all the hair, because most videos they cut it out. But I'm going to show you exactly how I did each one. And also another thing I wanted to mention, I did not show you guys washing it out, but I did show you the amount of conditioner, not conditioner, but the amount of shampoo that I used. I used the whole packet, and then I also used a drop of that shimmering light because I didn't want to tone the hair some more. But once again, this is very simple, very easy. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay a professional to do it. But I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and stay tuned for the finishing.